Welcome to the Game Dev Practice Lab. This is where you will seriously grow your game dev skills. If you're a beginner, then this is how you're going to escape tutorial hell. And if you're more of an intermediate user, this is where you will take your skills and push them to the next level. This is a hands-on practice program where you will implement all kinds of gameplay systems. You will solve some problems. You will come up with solutions and implement them. And in doing so, you will actually genuinely learn. For example, here is challenge number 0. It's the Save System City Builder. On this one, I have pre-prepared this project for you to download. So here I've got a functioning mini city builder game. So I've got a camera that I can move around. I can click on a grid in order to place all kinds of buildings, and I've got 3 different building types. Then over here I've got all kinds of resources. So you have just a nice demo scene. And then our goal is right here. So the goal for this challenge is to build a safe system to store all data in this mini city builder game. The objectives are these ones, so save and load the resource amounts and the building placement. And then if you're feeling ambitious, or if you're more the intermediate level and you really want a serious challenge, if so, you've got the bonus objectives. So in this case, multiple save slots, add in load selector in the main menu, and save screenshot and metadata. In this program, I give you these project files, you download them, you open them up inside your own Unity, you watch the introduction video that explains how the project is set up and how all the code works, and then importantly, you go do this challenge, you go trying to complete all of these objectives using your own skills. Here's another example. Here we have challenge number 1. This is the CCTV camera system, and this one again, I also have pre-prepared a nice scene. And the goal with this one is to build a CCTV camera system where the player can see what various cameras in the world see. So this one also has a whole bunch of objectives, a whole bunch of bonus objectives. You download the project files, and then using your own skills, you actually attempt to complete these objectives. Now importantly is how this program is not a bunch of tutorials. Tutorials are really awesome. I have obviously made tons of tutorials myself. However, tutorials have a problem. So most people, they watch a tutorial, maybe they even open up their own project in Unity, and maybe they copy-paste code line by line. They do that and they think they are learning, but then when they go to build something just by themselves, they realize they really cannot do it. Turns out they didn't actually learn anything, they just learned basically how to copy-paste code that someone else wrote. That is because they missed the most crucial part of the learning process, and that is the doing. If you just watch a tutorial, if you just copy-paste code, you're not really learning anything. You need to apply what you're learning in order to ensure you're actually gaining that knowledge. And that is exactly the goal for this program. It is not for you to watch, it is for you to do. Every challenge starts off with an introductory video, basically explaining the challenge, what are the goals of the challenge, and how the demo scene is set up. Then also tell you what is the goal behind that challenge and what are the various individual objectives you must do. And then, of course, importantly, I give you the project files. Then you download those project files, you open up in your Unity, and here's the crucial part. Use your own brain, your own skills to actually attempt to solve all of these challenges. There is no tutorial for you to watch. You get the project files, you get a description of the challenge, and you get the various objectives, and then it's up to you to figure out how to complete them. Now, of course, if you do get stuck, obviously you can ask for help. Specifically, every challenge comes with a whole bunch of hints. These are intentionally hidden, so they're only here only if you need help, but if you do, yep, definitely click on these hints and they will guide you in the right direction. These are not spoilers, these are not solutions, these are just slight hints. So if only just need 1 or 2 of these hints and that is enough to help you basically achieve all those objectives. If not, then of course you can ask for help from myself directly or from the community. But remember how your goal, the reason why you're here is to learn, and you only learn by doing. So it is absolutely crucial that you at least attempt to challenge, attempt to solve all of these objectives before you ask for help. If you do that, I guarantee you will learn. Also importantly is how this program is not meant to take over your life. The challenges are all self-contained. I basically give you an entire working project, but you just have to implement one tiny mechanic. So if you think to yourself, I don't have time, this program is really designed to help you with that. Like I wrote here, you do not need to dedicate an entire week to solve each challenge. They're designed to be doable within about 1 to 3 hours, or more if you decide to go for the bonus objectives or engage with the community, but that part's optional. This program is very much designed to be able to fit within your life. It does not require full-time focus. So even if you're doing GameDev on the side after your 9-to-5 job, that is perfectly fine. The challenges and the solutions, they drop weekly, and you can just find a tiny bit of free time, maybe at the end of your day, maybe at the beginning, in order to go through these challenges. Basically, my entire goal with this program is to pass on to you a really awesome skill that I do have. I myself have made a ton of games, a ton of systems. I have a really awesome skill where I'm capable of building literally anything that I can imagine. Any game idea, any mechanic, as long as I can imagine it in my head, I know for a fact that I can turn it into reality. This is a super awesome skill that I've gained through my 20 years of making games and writing a ton of code. And this program right here, this is how I will teach you this skill. This is how you too will be able to take any idea you have and make it a reality. Whether it be strategy games, FPS games, RPG games. If you want to make strategy mechanics, platform mechanics, weird different puzzle mechanics. Any game, any mechanic, any idea can be made once you have this really awesome skill. The way you get this skill is with a ton of experience, which is exactly what this program is meant to do. This program is also very much meant for both beginners and intermediate users. Every challenge has multiple objectives and they go basically from very easy to pretty hard. So it's up to you to define what level of difficulty do you want for each challenge. If you're a beginner, then as long as you even make an attempt, you're doing great. And if you solve just the first objective, you're doing really great. And if you solve both main objectives, you're doing really excellent. If you're a beginner and you do that, it's really just a matter of time until you become an intermediate and eventually an advanced. And if you are already intermediate and you do want to test your own skills, if so, you've got the bonus objectives. These definitely bump up quite a little bit in difficulty. You can attempt to do all of these and they will definitely test your skills and really make sure you grow. Once you've done the challenge, you can go ahead and share it with the community. This is another excellent way to learn. Since these challenges, they come with basically just a small description of what is the goal and the various objectives, that means everybody's going to interpret them in different ways. So by seeing how everybody else solved the exact same prompt, the exact same original objective, by doing that you'll be able to see how every mechanic, every idea can be built in many different ways, and that is also how you grow, so that the next time that you have a similar problem in your own project, you'll be able to remember, oh, when I made this challenge myself, I did it this way, but I saw 10 other people did it in 10 different ways. So now that I'm working by myself, I know there are tons of ways to solve this problem. So the entire community part behind this program, this is also something that will definitely help you learn. And then 1 week after the challenge is started, I will then post my own solution and explain how I solved it. And this 1 week gap here, this is actually a very crucial thing. This is very, very intentional. It is basically so that you don't cheat yourself by looking up the solution ahead of time. This way, you get the challenge on week 1, and you have no choice but to try to attempt to solve the challenge by yourself. And only on week 2 will you be able to see my own solution. Then you can learn from my solution, learn from your own attempt, combine both those, and you will gain a ton of knowledge. Again, remember how you all learn by doing, so this whole program has been designed to do exactly that, to encourage you to do instead of just watch. And then 1 week after the solution, I will post the next challenge, and the cycle basically repeats all over again. This is a regular content program with non-stop challenges every 2 weeks from now and until basically the end of time. Like it implies, this program is all about practice. It's all about helping you practice the skill of game development. This is basically kind of like a gym. You don't go to a gym in real life to watch someone else lift weights. No, you go there to lift the weights yourself in order to actually improve yourself. So this program, this over here, is pretty much just a gym for game devs. You join, you do a challenge, you see the solution, you see how you could do better, you chat with the community, then start the next challenge and learn the whole cycle over again. This is how you get good, by solving tons of challenges, by solving tons of problems. The more experience you get, the better you become. And this program is designed to make it as easy as possible for you to gain that experience, so you can eventually gain that really awesome skill where you can build literally anything you can imagine. There are 3 tiers available in this program. You've got the hobbyist tier. This one is meant for anyone who wants to learn or have fun completing some challenges and joining a community of like-minded game devs. So this one includes the game mechanic challenges, of course, so it includes all the project files that you can download and start a challenge. It includes all the solutions, access to the entire community, access to a library of past challenges, a live chat to ask questions and get help, and with this you can gain some actual knowledge through practice and you can basically finally escape tutorial hell. Alternatively, you've got the professional tier. So this one is perfect for serious developers to improve their craft, who are or who want to become professional game developers. So this one includes everything in the previous tier. It includes code reviews. So this is where you post your specific code that you wrote to solve the challenge, and I can go through your code line by line and give you some feedback for how you can improve. Then you also get access to architecture deep dives. This is where I talk about the demo scene that I built for the various challenges and I explain how exactly I built it, and more importantly, why I built it that way. So what were the specific architecture decisions that I made to build the demo that way, and what other ways could I have made it? So again, this is great for professionals who want to know more the why behind each decision, as opposed to just focusing on just making it work and that's it. Then this year, there are some more serious discussions, priority QA. So here this year, it is meant for you to learn not just how to build systems, but how to build them properly. And finally, there's the guidance tier. So this one is very hands-on coaching from me to help you both on every challenge, but also on your own personal projects. This one is basically kind of like one-on-one mentoring. Now, inherently, because of that, it can only have very limited seats since I don't have unlimited time. Basically, I can only help a handful of people in such a direct one-on-one personal manner. So for this one, you get everything before, everything from the hobbyist and the professional tier. Then you get an accountability system. This is where I will actively hold you accountable. I will check in with you, make sure you are solving the challenges, and make sure you're making progress on your own personal projects that you told me you were going to do. I will do a one-on-one live call with you per month to help you on your own projects, your own games, your own anything. I will help you with selecting the next project, which is something where idea selection nowadays is insanely important. I'll give you guidance on your own projects, architecture advice, marketing advice, performance advice, and really just regular check-ins just to make sure you stay on track with your goals. Again, obviously I cannot do this to a ton of people. I cannot do this to 50 or 100 people. So obviously this one is very limited seats. I expect to only have like half a dozen people in this year. So yep, you've got all these options to choose what best works in. And right now, as part of the launch, you can get 20% off any tier. Just make sure you use the coupon code LAUNCH. So yep, these are the tiers. And it's up to you to choose what is the level of involvement you'd like to have, how seriously do you want to take your game dev learning journey. And yep, that's the Game Dev Practice Lab. This is how you can escape tutorial hell, or how you can greatly improve your skills and take you to the next level. I very much designed this entire program for you to do and gain a ton of experience. Like I said, this is the only way that I know how to teach you this really awesome skill of being able to build anything you want to imagine. All you have to do is just solve or attempt to solve the weekly challenges. And if you do that, then over time, I guarantee you will gain a ton of knowledge and you'll be able to build anything you can imagine. The challenges are also stored in the library. So right now you can go ahead and get started with the current active challenge and then go through the entire library of challenges. So go ahead, join me on the Game Dev Practice Lab and massively grow your skills while also having fun in the process. Alright, thanks for watching and I'll see you inside!